In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your videos from Canva in MP4. So let's say I have this video that I've just recorded. You can see it down here. And if you want to add any other one, you can hit the plus sign and you can bring in the video, whether from upload that you can upload directly in your document, you can upload possibly in your device, you have it somewhere. Assuming I have one of these shots and you can just upload, or alternatively, if you have it somewhere, maybe saved somewhere, you can just add. Okay, so if you've added as many videos as you want and you want to export this in MP4 .mp4, you can do that by coming to share and then go to download. You can see the format MP4, but you can check on other formats if you're interested. But for this, the suggested and the best high quality format is MP4. And then you specify the pages. Right now I can see all the pages because I want to export everything. Once you say done, you say download. This is going to download the video combined as a single video in .mp4. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.